In this universe, everything follows precise laws. From the movement of electrons to the orbit of Neptune, everything runs on the same stable principles. This level of stability is not random, it is predictable. It is something that can be calculated. This is not an abstract idea. It is a pattern that can be observed again and again. In other words, the universe itself is a closed-loop system. Thousands of years ago, ancient Eastern thinkers already understood this. If the universe runs as one system, then human life cannot operate outside of it. So they created a model. It is called BaZi. BaZi is not a religion. It is a system that uses time to locate your position in the universe. Think about this. The moment you were born, you captured a coordinate in a constantly shifting energy field. Your birth time, year, month, day, and hour became your reference point. From that moment, a system configuration was defined. Most people believe life differences come from choices. But from my perspective, the difference already exists at the level of configuration. Because celestial cycles are stable, this system can work like a forecast. It can map out how your life is likely to unfold. It is like reading a computer spec sheet. You begin to understand how your system actually runs. You see what kind of load your system is built for, where you perform best, and where you tend to overheat. You also begin to see how your mind processes information. Some people are built for deep analysis. Others are built for execution and expansion. Some systems work better alone. Others grow through collaboration. And then you realize something most people never fully understand. Relationships are not just emotional, they are structural. Some people amplify your system, others drain it. I have seen people who are extremely successful in business, but repeat the same pattern in relationships. They think it is bad luck, but it is not. It is the same system pattern, running again and again. Many situations that look like failure are not about effort. They are about incompatibility. But even this is not the most important layer. What truly shapes your life is time. Life is not linear. It runs in cycles. Every 10 years, your system goes through a major reset, like an operating system update. Some phases are expansion versions. Your system opens up. More opportunities appear. More connections become available. Growth can happen very quickly. Other phases are repair versions. Your system contracts. It clears out instability. It fixes what is broken. It rebuilds its foundation. This is where most people struggle. They try to expand during a repair phase. That is like forcing a system to run at full capacity while it is still updating. The result is predictable: lag, instability, sometimes complete collapse. This is why, in some periods, you work extremely hard but nothing moves. And in other periods, things flow almost effortlessly. It is not because you changed. It is because your system version changed. When you understand this, your behavior changes. You stop forcing progress at the wrong time, and you stop hesitating at the right time. You begin to act differently. When it is time to expand, you move decisively. When it is time to pull back, you reduce load. This is not weakness, it is system awareness. The same system also behaves differently in different environments. Some places amplify you, some places limit you. This model helps you see where your system performs best. It can also help you anticipate risk. You begin to see which periods carry instability, which decisions can trigger larger consequences. True stability is not the absence of change. It is knowing when change is coming. This may sound like science fiction, but for thousands of years, this system has been used as a decision-making tool. It was once considered knowledge reserved for rulers, not to explain life, but to navigate it. When you truly understand this, something changes. You stop second-guessing every decision. You stop asking, is this the right time? Because you can already see what phase you're in. You learn when to wait and when to move without hesitation. This is why some people seem lucky, while others keep struggling. The difference is not effort. It is whether they understand the system. And most importantly, you can finally stop trying to become someone else. From my perspective, most anxiety does not come from lack of effort. It comes from this. You are running a system that was never designed for you. When you return to your original code and start operating within your own structure, everything changes. The world begins to respond differently. And in the end, remember this: nothing in the universe is random, and your existence is not an accident. Within this system that has been running for billions of years, your code has always been there. You just haven't read it yet.